It's Runtime, and today is Friday, September 5th, so here is everything that happened in Indian tech in the last 24 hours. First of all, Bengaluru-based AI lab Maya Research has created a brand new offering called Maya Agents, which allows developers to use the 10 Indian voices that are part of the Veena text-to-speech model to build conversation experiences for Indian users. You could, for example, use Maya Agents to build a medical helpline or an AI-powered therapy service to help folks with their mental health. You could build a ticket booking service for IRCTC. And Maya Research really wants this to be as accessible as possible, which is why agents come with their own URL that developers can send to users via WhatsApp. And to better understand the space that Maya Research is moving into, I asked Dimant Reddy, who is one of the founders of Maya Research, to explain how and why Maya Agents are different from the other offerings in this space.
Hey Caleb, so Maya Research conversational voice agents will come with what we call as a speech memory, because we felt it's really important to give memory to voice agents, because with every interaction with consumers and clients, the voice agent will learn what's going right and what's going wrong, and it keeps on updating its memory to make sure it's achieving the goal that the developer has given to it. Be it transactional, commercial, or discovery, these voice agents are designed to go after their behavior and achieving a specific goal to solve users' problem as soon as possible. For that, knowing as much as about the user and understanding from various interactions is really important. And this speech memory enables them to keep on updating new information and remove the stuff that doesn't help them. The fastest GTM is WhatsApp in India. India runs in WhatsApp, and to reach India 2 and India 3 faster, they really need to be able to share these voice agents quicker. And having the ability to create an agent instantly and click share and get a personalized link to that agent and share it with a group of people, colleagues and friends to test the product or your clients for you to gather the details, or in LinkedIn or Twitter to give it to your users. And this will help you to build the agent and also share the link in such a way that you will be able to create the product and create the GTM instantly.
Now, it is important to note that this is an early exclusive, so if you're watching this on Friday morning, Maya Agents won't be live for at least a couple more hours. Dimant has posted on X saying he'll reveal more about Maya Agents today, September 5th at 6 p.m. But Maya Research isn't the only Bengaluru-based AI startup with voice agent news today, because we've also got Sarvam AI. So they've released AI agents for voice calling and text chat on WhatsApp. Now, Samvaad is Sarvam's enterprise-oriented offering. It comes with 11 Indian languages, and using Samvaad you can acquire customers, you can onboard partners, you can improve retention, all through AI agents. And so now Samvaad supports Meta's new business calling API. And so here in Sarvam's demo video, a hypothetical user gets a message on WhatsApp with a built-in call button. They click that button and that call is forwarded to one of Sarvam's Samvaad AI agents. And so I'll let you listen to that interaction here.
User would see a message like this and place a call on WhatsApp by clicking on call and WhatsApp button.
नमस्ते कार्तिक, मैं साक्षी बोल रही हूँ। क्या आपको किसी मदद की ज़रूरत है?
हाँ, बताएंगे कि WhatsApp पे ऑर्डर कैसे करना है?
अब मैंने आपको चेकआउट कंटिन्यू करने के लिए अपना प्रोडक्ट भेज दिया है। अगर आप और प्रोडक्ट्स देखना चाहते हैं तो मुझे बताएं।
अच्छा, आप मुझे एग्जीक्यूटिव डेस्क में कुछ और ऑप्शंस दिखा सकते हैं?
मैंने आपको WhatsApp पर आपके प्रोडक्ट के लिए और ऑप्शंस भेजे हैं। आप डिटेल्स चेक करने के लिए व्यू आइटम्स पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, और आगे ऑर्डर कैसे करना है?
आप ऐड टू कार्ट रिक्वेस्ट बटन पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं, फिर प्लेस ऑर्डर बटन पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं, फिर फाइनलाइज ऑर्डर बटन पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं।
मैं फाइनलाइज बटन पे क्लिक कर दिया हूँ।
आप पेमेंट कैसे करना चाहेंगे?
मैं कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करना चाहूँगा।
कंग्रेचुलेशन, प्लीज अपने ऑर्डर समरी में डिटेल्स चेक करके कंफर्म कर लीजिए।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
आपके टाइम के लिए थैंक यू। हैव अ ग्रेट डे।
All right, next up, one of the founders of Coup, Mayank Bidawatka, has launched a new AI-powered app called PicSee, and the problem that PicSee is solving is photos of you on other people's phones. So friends and family, they'll often take pictures of you, but they won't end up sharing those pictures with you. And so PicSee offers a solution to this. It does a facial recognition capture of you, and then it scans other people's photo libraries to find images with your face. And it's kind of a social platform too, because these aren't one-sided photo transfers. In order to get photos from somebody, you also have to give photos to that person. And I'll just put up my experience here on the screen, the onboarding process. A big part of it was them just trying to make sure that you know that your data is safe, stuff like the fact that they filter sensitive pictures to prevent them from being shared by mistake, or the fact that pics are encrypted when they're being sent from one user to another, or the fact that they don't store your pics, and they also don't allow screenshots on the app, which is why I actually had to record this top-down video of the phone screen in the first place. Now, as many of you know, Coup is dead. It never became the competitor to Twitter that it positioned itself as, and it shut down because it couldn't raise enough capital to keep going and couldn't find anybody to buy it. But in that same month when it shut down, Mayank Bidawatka actually raised around $250,000 in a pre-seed round for his next company, Billion Hearts, and he raised this pre-seed round from the founders of redBus, Ola, InMobi, and Myntra, and then he went on to raise a $4 million seed round led by Blume Ventures. And so now we can see where all of that seed capital went. They've been building PicSee. And in the future, they're also planning to add AI photo and video editing tools to this app, storage optimization features, which I'm guessing will end up being how they make money from this, and private social sharing as well. All right, next up, Anindyadeep Sannigrahi has launched LiteFold, a co-pilot for early-stage drug discovery. And normally early drug candidates take weeks or months to design, and so LiteFold's new line of features, LiteFold De Novo, uses AI to design, edit, and analyze small molecules for drug discovery. Oh, and also it's worth noting that Anindyadeep is a Los Funk resident as well. All right, moving on here, CynLr, a Bengaluru-based robotics and AI company, has teamed up with IISc for a research partnership to apply neuroscience to robotic vision. So CynLr's vision tech enables robots to see and therefore grasp any object without pre-training. And so the goal of this partnership is to study how the human brain processes depth, motion, and object continuity, with the goal of using these learnings to build smarter robotic vision systems. And this partnership, which they're calling Visual Neuroscience for Cybernetics, will fund doctoral projects, create training programs, and offer career pathways for researchers. And then finally, Indian AI startup Dualite has challenged Lovable to a head-to-head coding contest during Build Wars in San Francisco this October. One of Dualite's founders, Rohan Singhvi, sent an email to one of Lovable's founders, Anton Osika, proposing a live face-off where audiences can back their preferred AI coding platform. And in this email, he mentioned that Dualite is performing well despite the fact that they haven't raised a ton of capital. Lovable, on the other hand, is a unicorn. They've raised hundreds of millions of dollars, and so this would very much be a David and Goliath scenario if Lovable actually takes them up on this challenge. All right, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all from the last 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to join our exclusive WhatsApp community, just DM the Runtime account on X. Tell us a little bit about yourself, what you're building, and I'll send you access. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.